is going on now?
What is that? That ain't a rod knock, is it?
Ooh, my allergies. Alright, I'm starting to pass out. All right, we are on day 2.5, day 3. The power went out on us last time, so we didn't get everything done.
Somebody look at the fire watch.
So we're gonna do some fire watch.
Spray?
We're about to install this trans cross member. We're about to fabricate. How many monkeys are in this football?
3 at the moment.
Some tape measuring.
Some paper measuring.
Make measuring.
Some paper aided design.
All right, Matt. Since you're in a better mood now than last video, which I don't even know we're gonna make at this point.
What? What do you want?
Say something to the people. They want to know.
Something.
Is it a boy or a girl?
A girl. Girl.
It's a girl.
Yeah.
It's definitely a girl. I vote girl. Are you getting nice curly cues?
Yeah, it's making a nice hole.
Matt, where's curly cue at?
Oh, I forgot about TJ's thing. What did he say?
You gotta go tighten it and then did it work?
It clicked.
Mm-hmm. It didn't work.
You should leave that.
Yeah.
My drill bit's screaming for help. Oh my god. That's my new beard oil. Jessica would love that.
Uber Eats is here. Where's our spaghetti? Well, that's nice right there, buddy. Where do you get that at?
I don't know. You want one?
I'm good, dude.
I'll give you I can help him.
What if I do?
Don't.
That's it.
Uh-huh. I need a job. Like, tell me what to do.
Just make a bead.
Make a bead?
Make a bead.
That better?
Yeah, not bad.
There you go.
Where'd the stick go?
Hey, give me a camera if you want to actually.
He's rolling good pants left.
Yeah.
All right, that is the battery on that.
Okay.
She's cooked.
Well, you said you got another Milwaukee, right? They ain't little.
Your other one is.
Hammer drill? Hammer mode. Hammer it out, bro. Oh my god. Please stop.
Sorry about your drill.
Who do y'all call in assembly when you need somebody to drill a hole?
Oh,
I bet Drew could drill a good hole. Somebody.
Yeah, I got C-clamp somewhere.
That would be great.
You know, all these holes we drilled so far, we could have drilled 3 holes on the table for the mount that lies. Well, that's a big boy.
Is that SpongeBob SquarePants?
Got grip, son. Buy me dinner first.
John's gonna wait till the last 3 holes to pull out.
Oh yeah, I got this.
Oh yeah, by the way.
Well, you didn't ask.
See, I thought you just like fumbling with it.
He just liked watching us fumbling with it. Then he got bored.
This whole video is just gonna be drilling holes. Yeah.
You just hammer it, it'll bend that right.
Hey, I think if you hammer it out.
Oh, dude, I was made for this. 1, 2, 3, go.
Got it.
Got it.
lot less exciting than you doing a wheelie. Hey, stop.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, there it went.
Turn on the water. Matt needs.
No, don't turn on the water.
Hang on. All right, guys, we got the trans mount in there finally. Only a little bit of welding, a little bit of hammering, a little bit of drilling,
A little bit of that.
a little bit of that, a little bit of this, a little bit of.
A little bit of that.
Oh. Let's see what you can do with that hammer. Hammer it out.
Do, son.
Hammer it out. Oh yeah.
There's about a leg.
Oh yeah.
Full American over here.
This one in 373 gears.
Got them drag shocks on there though.
Look at them. 90s.
These boys.
Only we had a vice.
If only.
Hey, can we get a vice?
It's right there.
I don't see the problem.
You guys complain too much.
Do some stuff.
Welcome back to another Poor Boys Racing video, and there's been a couple videos of us getting the transmission all set up, and now we finally just finished the brakes. Well, Matt just finished the brakes on the rear end. So to go over, if you haven't seen any of the other videos, we put a 4L80 in this to swap out the Turbo 350, and in doing that we put a custom link drive shaft and an 8.8 in there because I had a 7.5 with a terrible gear.
Yeah, it was like 270, maybe
230.
Yeah. It was ridiculous.
So we got that. We got some new upper control arms and some reused shocks.
Yeah, these are old Phoenix shocks. I don't know. These have been like 140s in the Phoenix. Football and some.
Yeah, we just
Like mile an hour?
No, like yes, 140 miles an hour, wide open.
Oh.
Yeah, we just need a football for the right rear spring.
So to go over the 4L80 we put in there, custom mounting bracket here. We got a good old custom torque converter.
Did you put the weld off in the video?
The weld off?
Didn't we do like a weld off?
Oh yeah,
and grind
we did
off
a weld off, but I don't know how much it got on film. When I edit this, I'm sure I'll know. But oh, somebody's. We just won't look at this.
What, the hole off? I know exactly who won the hole off.
Good times. Anyways, there's a few things we didn't get to fix on it, but it's gonna work for now. We're trying to get set up for the Street-n-Yeet. So we gotta finish bleeding the brakes now, and then we're gonna get it started up. So stay tuned. Hop in, ma'am. Where's the girl at? We need a girl to be pumping these.
Pump me up, bees.
I love that meme
What meme?
of the girl sleeping and the guy looking in through the window. It says, "Me needing somebody to help bleed the brakes at 2 a.m."
All right, let's bleed these brakes, and we'll skip to.
From where I had that, there it is.
What's the likelihood this gonna work?
I'll give it like a 60-40.
60 is not gonna work.
60 is not going to work. 40%.
Top training off.
All right, here it is. Here is the. You don't know how to crank it? No, it's key on with the key, and then horn.
Okay, horn.
Is it in park?
Says it is.
Should we hook up the laptop? Do any data log? Are we gonna see any signals or anything?
Yeah, you should be able to see all the transmission data.
I'm going to try to crank it. The wheels on the ground or no?
No, they're off the
Okay,
ground.
making sure.
So
Jump up the cheer.
yeah, jump up and cheer. Woo!
Tired, boss.
I'm tired.
Real tired.
So first startup was a success. Good job, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for helping. Couldn't have done it without John. Why are you so happy, man?
Tired.
Hey, Matt, come hit him in the balls.
They perk him up a little bit.
Serve those up to spec.
You got to tell us to respect.
Yeah, what is the torque spec, Taylor?
Eyeballing it, about 100 foot-pounds right there.
2 1/4 Ugga Duggas.
2. That's it?
How many velocitors does this thing make?
At least 3 right now.
Oh,
What is that, Kool-Aid?
Kool-Aid, baby. Where's the train?
Can't believe that's happened to your cousin, did you? That Bronco looked at it in disbelief. Can't believe you did that. So, a big disappointment for the Poor Boys racing team, as
We all need to go on a diet.
we all four can't fit in the old Fairmont.
Can this thing see us in the dark?
I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, there's enough light against there. So, we got a chase vehicle. Oh, yeah, that.
That should be dry. Let's see what we got. Let's drop it down to 3.
Does this blind you?
There's 3. No, that's okay. Didn't like that. That was full throttle.
Alright.
We were logging that too, though.
Yeah, I was logging that. So we can just not beat on it a bunch and go back, make sure all is good. Blow the doors off, boys.
Hey there, ball.
How'd it do?
Banged the limiter when I finally got all the way on it.
Was that trans slipping?
You know what? I wonder if the shift points are too high for
Yeah, I'm
the
sure
rev
they are.
limiter.
If you still got Burke stuff in there, Burke's shifting to like
I changed-
75, I think.
I changed it on.
But it wasn't slipping, was it?
No, I mean it pulled. It just
We saw fire shoot out the side.
yeah, because it hit the limiter.
Called that mailbox on fire.
Time.
So, what seemed to be the problem there?
It looks like it won't shift because the rev limiter is at 6,000.
Yeah.
Maximum RPM 8,000. What are we doing here,
Who was the tuner on this thing?
dude? I don't know who
Just
tuned
wait.
it, but
Put the rev limiter at 8,400 and let it eat.
we're gonna take the motor out of the truck.
I mean, the max speed's already 200, so
Yeah.
It probably would have done 200 mile an hour with that other gear in it.
I bet it would have. God, nobody wants to be in this thing at 200 miles.
I don't want to be in it at 100 miles an hour.
You about to be.
I know.
All right, so
We're going to find out.
You know this thing's not going to shift right on where the rev
Right,
limiter is.
yeah,
You're
you're
going
gonna
to
have
need to
to-
put that like 57 probably if you want to
The
still
sh-
shift at 6,000.
all
I
right,
think-
he had 6450 in there.
Because
for
he
his-
said if his flare.
Does this thing have the trunnions and valve springs and
Probably not.
stock valve
Well,
train?
let's say it doesn't.
Okay. Yeah.
put
so he had-
5,700.
Put 57 in it.
5750 like he had.
Rev,
250
put the
before.
rev limiter at 6,500.
All right.
And it should shift. It shouldn't even get to there.
Okay.
But you can look at it in tune and
Yeah.
change it accordingly.
Because we need to let it shift so we can see how much it flares when
Right.
it does. And then that'll log.
Or what the delay is. You know, you need to
Yeah.
log the
Alright.
commanded shift versus how many milliseconds it took. Or,
Bert
see-
said his is pretty slow.
yeah, mine's pretty slow.
Can't find
I
the
can't
hole.
believe the cops said that we were slow.
Right?
So you
don't-
want to
That's
find out
good,
how
though.
slow we are?
That's good. That lets, I mean, that's just how good the wolf in sheep's clothing's working, man.
Is it a certified ripper?
Yes. That 60-40 didn't hold true. It's more of a 95-5.
All right.
Okay.
There's a lot of smells going on now.
What is that? That ain't a rod knock, is it?
That's definitely a rod knock.
That ain't a rod knock, is it?
I cannot confirm or deny, but that doesn't sound very good.
Oh no, please don't be. Rodney rod knocking dude.
We turned the rev limiter up. It was.
It's only 6,500. That's not that high. People spin these stock things way harder than that. I'm not hearing anything right now. How's the oil pressure at? Where's oil pressure?
44.
Okay, we still got oil pressure. Dude, there's no way we can hurt this thing on freaking 6 pounds of boost.
Well, I'm data logging, so we'll find out
Oh my lord.
what happened.
I mean, I'm about to build another motor. We can always put the Phoenix motor in it. I know that thing will hold it.
Yeah. We just won't be streeting and yeeting in this.
Dude, I'm gonna be so pissed if it just did that.
$25,000 project.
Freaking hey, man.
Oh God, I hope not. Hopefully, if anything, we could just junkyard motor it. But
Maybe it's not. I don't know. That sounded really bad though when
It did.
we first did that.
it did.
I mean, I still hear a little something right
I do too. Well, you know what I label that data log? Done, done.
Done.
Done, done.
We need some professional opinions. It picked up a noise.
Picked up a rod knock.
I don't know. Maybe it's lifter. I have no idea. It's got good oil pressure.
Sometimes you do stuff for YouTubes. This is not one of them. Well, it looks like we'll have to diagnose this whenever it's daytime because we don't want to wake up every.
Hey, look! It's a squirrel!
Because we don't want to wake. Because we don't want to wake everybody up. So make sure if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment.
If we had merch, you could buy it.
If you had merch, because we're gonna need some support. We're gonna be hitting up the junkyard tomorrow.
donations.
Donations, thoughts and prayers, whatever you got, send it our way. thanks for tuning in, and you'll have to see what happens in the next one.